Nature's Nectar Sparkling Lemonade.
Let's give it a try. All this really is Sprite. You know, it tastes a lot like Sprite, except it's yellow. That's what it is, so that's a pro. Also, another pro would be the top. You know, it's adjustable. You can latch it on for a tight fit, so that's a pro as well. Now the cons, it tastes more like lemon lime soda instead of sparkling lemonade, which is what it's advertised as. That's a little misleading and that's a con. It's still good though. So yeah, we got the Nature's Nectar Sparkling Lemonade. I give it an 8.8 out of 10. If you like Sprite, give this a try. It's pretty good.